Good morning, everyone. I have another awesome book to share with you today, and of course, it has to do with colors. Can't resist my art-related books. This one is called Why is Blue Dog Blue? A Tale of Colors. And it's by George Rodriguez. I always find that people skip the end pages, and sometimes they're really interesting and beautiful, so I'm going to share them with you. Hello, my name is George and I am an artist. I have been painting since I was 5. I paint pictures of things I like. One of my favorite things to paint is Blue Dog. Why is Blue Dog blue? Artists don't have to paint things the way they really are. I use my imagination to paint my own worlds. I can paint a dog any color I can imagine. So why is Blue Dog blue? Well, the truth is that Blue Dog isn't always blue. Sometimes I paint Blue Dog red. Other times I paint Blue Dog yellow. Occasionally I paint Blue Dog green. And once in a while I paint Blue Dog orange. I never paint Blue Dog purple, except for when I do. I can paint a Blue Dog rainbow. But most of the time, I paint Blue Dog blue, which brings us back to the same question. Why is Blue Dog blue? Well, maybe it has to do with what I think about when I paint. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I am fishing? Salmon. Now, salmon's a fish, but it's also a name we can use for this pretty color right here. It's kind of like a pinky peach. It's the color of the fish salmon, hence the name. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I want a hot dog? Any guesses? Mustard. That doesn't really need an explanation, does it? What color do I paint Blue Dog when I want to bake a pie? Give you a minute to think about it. Yep, cherry. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I go to the beach? This could be a couple different ones, right? Tan. You can get a tan, or you can have the color called tan. What color do I paint Blue Dog when I fall in the swamp? That's not a good day. Moss green. What other colors can I paint Blue Dog? Magenta, lavender, ebony, black, chartreuse, yellow green, auburn, red brown, khaki, emerald, turquoise, mauve, avocado, chocolate, gray, aqua, alabaster. Alabaster's white, can't see it. Periwinkle, apricot, burgundy, violet, and Cajun. Look at all these fun paw prints in a rainbow of colors with very interesting names, might I add. Very pretty, but still not blue. Blue Dog is blue? Why? Look in the sky. Blue dog is everywhere like the sky. That's why. The end. I hope you enjoyed Why is Blue Dog Blue? And I'll see you guys soon to read another book. Be well. Bye.